Okay, so the point of this video is I want to measure the ride height with no weight on the car, which looks like about 26 and almost 3/4. And we're going to put the bike on and then we're going to see what it goes down to. Okay, I got the bike on. Bike weight is on the hitch. Let's see what she went down to. It's like about 24.5. Yeah, maybe a little less than 24.5. Okay, so we're going to try some spring helpers. I got off Amazon. They're just little spring spacers. Supposed to jack up the suspension 1 inch to 1.5 inches, so we'll see if they work. Also, ride height in the front appears to have gone up, and it looks like it's about 25.5. We'll measure it with the bike off. Okay, the bike is off the front of the car now, and it looks like it's at about 25 and less than 1/4, so maybe 25 and 1/8. So the bike definitely makes the front end come up. Okay, so I got my spacers in my springs, got them off Amazon. We're going to try this out and we're going to see if it raises the suspension a little bit and see if it levels off when I put the bike on. Okay, so almost 26 inches it looks like. Almost, not quite. Okay, let's check this out now again. Bike is on and we are at 24.5 inches. And it sits a little bit higher, but not much. Okay, so I pushed them to setting number 2, which is supposed to be 1.5 inches. So let's try it now. Okay, setting 2, no bike. Let's see what it is. Almost 26.5. With no bike on it, 26, and it's probably closer between 26.25 and 26.5. Okay, got the bike on there. It's definitely sitting a touch higher. It looks like we're almost 25 inches now with the bike on. So, but the front's still lifting, so we can't do much about that, I don't think. We're at 25 and 3/4. On the front, but all in all it's pretty close to level with just those blocks. Maybe 2 more of them would work. Okay, so these are Tiguan's rear springs that I'm going to put in my Jetta. AI says it won't work to improve the ride height of my car with the bike on there because of the weight over the axle. But it also says it will increase the ride height 1.5 inches with no weight. So I guess we're going to find out. I don't believe AI. I think this will work because these coil springs are a smidge bigger. The wire is a smidge thicker. So it should be able to sustain the weight. Although AI says the springs are like 1.5 inches shorter, but the wire thickness is bigger. So you still have to compress the springs when you get them in, so I don't think it matters that they're 1.5 inches shorter uncompressed, because you have to compress them probably a couple of inches anyways once they're installed. Okay, on the right is a Jetta spring, on the left is a Tiguan spring, and maybe, I don't know if you can see it, but the wire and the coil of the Tiguan spring is definitely thicker. I think AI may have been wrong on the height. By the looks to me, I'm stacked on the ground. Yeah, maybe the Jetta one is a little higher. I don't know. They look the same to me from my angle. Anyway, let's put them in and see what happens. Okay, Tiguan springs are installed. It definitely sits higher in the back end now. Let's get this measuring tape out and see what it is. Looks like we're at 26 and 3/4. No weight on the car, no bike on it yet. Okay, the bike is on the car. Let's have a look here. Oh, we're at 25.5 inches. Maybe just a smidge under 25.5. So we picked up a 1/2 inch. I think we were at 25 before with those little helper things, and we're 25 and 3/4 on the front because it pivoted the weight to the back. So I could probably roll with that. It's too bad the sun is the direction it is right now. You can't quite see in the shade. But I think I'm going to try putting those other spring helpers in, and we'll see what it looks like after that. I just want to get it as level as possible. I mean, this is probably pretty good. Maybe I'll get my wife out here and I'll just... Nah, I think it's good. Okay, so I got the Tiguan springs in, and I got those spacer blocks in on the springs as well. I want to get this car like perfectly level with the bike on the back, and it's so close. It was like a quarter inch out from the front. Okay, Tiguan springs with spacer blocks, and we're showing just a smidge over 27 inches. So let's load the bike up and see what she is. All right, bike is on the car. Smidge under 26, 25 and 3/4 inches. Let's see what the front is with the bike on. Probably taller because that's just how it is. Oh wait, 25 and 3/4? Dang, it's actually right on the money. See how it looks. Yeah, she's dead even now, right on. That's what I wanted. Perfect. Get this thing loaded up and we'll run her like that. Okay, so final thoughts. I just went for a quick test drive, and the spring settled in a little bit, I think, because we're now at 25 and a quarter. That's the best it's going to do on the back, I think, after a test drive. And the front we're at 25 and 3/4, so we're a ½ inch low in the back, but I think I'll just run it. I mean, it's definitely not sagging anywhere near as bad as it was with the Jetta springs, so we'll just go with that, I think. I think it's good. If you like this video content, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.